fish cake, mixed vegetables such as green peas, carrots, and sweet corn. We also have the Knorr cubes, but I grated it. Also have the Knorr Hauchi all-in-one seasoning. Also have the onion and the garlic. Our rice, cooking oil, then we're going to add our garlic, now we're going to add our mixed vegetables. Just mix it. Then add the fish cake. Then mix. Just fry together. Then we're going to add our plain rice. This is our plain rice. Now that I mixed all the ingredients, I'm going to add our seasonings. The Hauchi all-in-one seasonings. You can add magic syrup if you are in Philippines. You can add some. I added also some sambal or chili sauce, just to make some spiciness of this fried rice. Add also our Knorr cubes, but shredded Knorr cubes. Then just mix it well. And there you go, guys. We're going to open our fried rice. So now our fried rice is really cooked. Enjoy your food. Have fun. can add some toppings, some sunny side up egg if you want to. So our fried rice is cooked, or should I say chow fan. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your food.